Big catch fish in Mississippi. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Let's catch some crappie. Got him. Yeah, man. 2.1 something. Over 15-inch black crappie. Look at that mug, man. Got him. Yes. First fish coming up. All right. $13.5-inch black crappie. Black crappie, 13.5-inch. Yes. Here's the setup. The Comet Color Wild Willies. It's the little minnow, 1.75-inch. This is a 16th-ounce lead head jig unpainted. I got the keeper trimmed off of it. 10-pound test monofilament. This is a 3/8 ounce tungsten weight pegged, so I can get down there a little bit faster. And I got my 10-foot ugly stick carbon crappie. It's got the hook holder right there. You can fill the blank. Daiwa Fuego 2500 series reel. Loving it. 10-pound test monofilament. That's the setup. Got that one. Swimming right on top of him. I thought that was a freaking log, man. Hope that's a crappie. It is. Yeah, buddy. Get up here, man. Not broke. 13.5-inch. Black crappie, 13.5. Yes, man. All right, get back. It's 2. Got him. Yes. That's sniping, buddy. Look at him coming up. Gosh, that was fun. Get up here, dude. Look bigger on the screen. I'll take them though, yes. $12.25. Over $12.25. Black crappie. Nice keeper. Man, I'm loving this Seeker 360. Gosh, awesome, man. Sturdy, light. Just gets right in there. Oh man, I missed that one. Gosh. Oh man, it's a fun way to fish, let me tell you. Put it right on top of the brush pile. Got it. I knew one of them was in there. Gosh. That's a crappie. Look at him coming up. Came out of that brush pile. I knew one of them was in there. Gosh. Get over here, dude. Sure. 13-inch crappie. Take that sucker all day long. Ooh, look at that. Looks like a bird got him. Look at that, man. Cut right into him. Dang, get back in there, dude. Dude. Got him. Yeah, man, right off the top of that tree. Good Lord, look at him come up. That's a good one, too. Oh, my goodness. That's a 2-pounder. Get up here. If I can get him in. Oh, my goodness. Gosh, that's over 2. Man, over 15-inch black crappie. Good Lord. Sucker zeroed out. 2.15, 2.14. That's 2.1 something. God. 15-inch black crappie. Look at that mug, man. 2-pounder. Got him, yes. Good Lord. Right off the top of that tree. It's another good one. Look at that sucker fighting, man. Holy cow. Get up here, dude. Lord have mercy. Over 14. 14 and a quarter. Black crappie. Look at that mug, man. 14 and a quarter. Get back home, you know. Got him. Yeah, on the second or third cast. Yes. It's a good one, too. Oh, my goodness. Good Lord, have mercy. Get up here, dude. Oh, my goodness. I can barely boat flip. Good Lord, that's another 15-inch. 14 3/4. Gosh, 14 3/4. It's got to be close to 1 3/4. Maybe even 2. 1.94. 195. Another 15-inch black crappie. Look at that mug, man. Yeah. Get back in there. Number 6. Got him. Oh, on the other side of that tree. You could barely see him coming. It's a good one too, man. Get up here, dude. Mamma mia. Almost 13-inch. Black crappie. 13-inch. Yeah, buddy. Got him. Yeah, man. Good Lord. Right on the right side of that tree. I haven't even got to that pile of fish yet. Good Lord have mercy. Get up here, dude. Close your mouth, dude. That sucker's 14 1/4. Over 14 inch. Go back crappie. Yes, sir. Got him. Yeah, man. Right on top of that mess. Lord have mercy. Suckers fight hard. Get up here, dude. Sucker's over 13 inches. 13-inch black crappie. Gosh, what's else keeping them today? Got him. Yeah. Right off the top of that mess. Good Lord have mercy. Gosh, they're digging. Suckers are fighting hard. Get up here. Another toad. Oops. Easy, man. Let you go. Over 14 inches. Gosh. 14 and a quarter black crappie. Yes. Get back in there, fella. Got him. Yeah. Right, yeah. Look at him coming up. Good Lord, he could not resist it. Gosh, another freaking toad, man. Get up here, dude. Gosh. Lord have mercy. 13 and a half inch. Old black crappie, 13 and a half. Yes. Got him. Yeah, man. Good Lord. Sucker's fighting hard, man. Good Lord. Gosh. Get up here, dude. Gosh. Mm-mm. 13 3/4 inch black crappie. 13 3/4. Yes. All right, I gotta put some duct tape on this. Bleeding like a stuffed pig. Yeah, that's number 12. Oh, my thumb's bleeding too. Got him right off the very top of that tree. Man, that first cast is critical. Make sure you get it in there right. Get up here, dude. Get him, Lord. Man, did he, look at that. That sucker just choked him. Good Lord, have mercy. Do surgery. I'm gonna let you go. Don't worry about it. Over 14. Yeah, man. Gosh. Big old black crappie over 14 inches. Got him. That sucker chased it down. Good Lord, he wanted it. All right. Goodness gracious. Get up here, dude. .13.5 inch black crappie. 13.5. Yes. Got that one. 213. Man. Gosh, couldn't resist it. Get up here, dude. Sucker's digging. Get up here. That's number 15. I'm calling it a day. Thank you, my friends. Gosh. 13, over 13, 13.25. Black crappie, 13.25. Yes. All right. Everybody say hello to Randy.
How y'all doing?
I'm glad to see this winter bite is here.
It's funny.
You just drop it on them, they hit it. That's as good as it gets. Man, thanks for hanging out with me today. Ended up catching 15, let them all go. One of them over 2 pounds, like 2.11. One of them was like right under 2. Bunch of 14-inch fish. That one was over 15. This is one of the best times of the year to fish. They are hungry and chasing. Thanks for hanging out with me. God bless you. Get out there and go fishing soon.